Hey everybody, welcome to our newest listing here in Rice Hope. I'm going to let Mark tell you a little bit about this great house and then he's going to show you around.
This one's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, a loft, screened-in porch, and a fenced yard. Come on, let's go see it. All right, 28 Wild Silk Way in Rice Hope. Go check this one out. You can see on the way in, it's got vinyl siding. The front porch here, swing around to see the street. And then back into the house. As soon as you come into the house, you'll notice the flex room that is currently set up as a formal dining area. And then you've got the accent wall here. As soon as you come in the house, you do have 9-foot ceilings and then LVP flooring. You got the half bath right up front. And then you've got the garage over just off the front side there. And then you walk into the living space, the downstairs living space here. You've got basically two pantries. You've got the one there, and then you've got extra space here as well. The kitchen, you got all stainless steel appliances in the kitchen. You've got the granite countertops, a large island here, dark brown cabinets, electric stove with the glass cooktop. And then another dining area. You've got the sliding glass door that leads out to the back. Living room area. Here you do have a ceiling fan. And headed upstairs, it's got carpeted stairs. You notice it's got a full wall instead of banisters. Comes up to a nice large loft with a ceiling fan here. And over towards the front side of the house, you've got one of the bedrooms here. And then out of that bedroom into the other bedroom on the front side of the house. Guest bath with a single vanity. It does have the door between the toilet and the tub area, which is really nice. Laundry room, built-in cabinets, and then the master. Tray ceiling, large room, the master bath, dual vanity, quartz countertops. It does go from carpet back into the LVP. And you've got shower, the fiberglass surround. Of course, the toilet has its own spot. And then you've got a large walk-in closet. All right, out the back, you got the sliding glass door. It does have a screened-in porch here. Already got a fenced yard. Does have an additional space outside the screened porch. And then on the back side, you've also got a water feature there and the shorter fence to be able to see that. Swinging back around to the house.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to view these videos and other ones we put out.